Okay, this is gorgeous. A Mulberry Bayswater Hedgehog in this incredible metallic black and bronze. You can see how it's catching the light. It's absolutely stunning. Really, really beautiful bag. So we've got double top handles. I'll come back and show you the size. The exact measurements, as always, are on the website. This is just to give you an idea. I'm about a UK size 8'10". I'm about 5'4". Okay, so that helps you give you an idea. It does come with the Mulberry dust bag. There's two care cards for this. There is the standard Mulberry care card, but there's also the one for the leather, the Maxi Grain metallic delicate surface, a care card for that as well. So we've got 4 studs on the base. I'm going to show you the back whilst we're here. It has, of course, got the Mulberry padlock and, of course, the gorgeous, iconic postman's lock. Inside it is a suede, black suede interior, huge, fantastic cabinet space there. 1 zipped pocket. Let's see if I can show you the zip pull. Can I get it in the light? There we go. It's got 2 flat pockets as well, and also the Mulberry tag there. And it has, of course, got the Mulberry internal buckles so that you can adjust the side gussets. Now, the condition, I'm just going to put my camera back up again. There we go. The condition, the interior is excellent. The hardware, excellent. And the exterior are called very, very good. There is nothing actually wrong with it at all, but can you see there's just a little bit of wrinkling on the fabric? Now that is literally due to the nature of the fabric. It is a delicate fabric, and so this is just what's going to happen with this bag. So once you've got things in it and filled it out a little, obviously that disappears, and if you're not using it, then keep it correctly stuffed, properly stored, and that will limit this happening. So like I said, this is just part of the bag that it does this, but I have pulled it very, very good just to, so that you know where you're at, basically. So there is a link to this bag on our website in the comments below this. You go to my comments, click the link, it will take you to the website. Whilst you're on there, sign up for the newsletter and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase with us. So it's really worth getting that discount code in your locker. Also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. So if you are on Instagram, then please come and join us on Insta. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then subscribe now. Set up your alerts. We have Armcandy coming in every day. You don't want to miss out on your dream bag.